Welcome children to my English class. So today's date is 5th of May 2021. So what is today's topic? Today's topic is theme 1, worksheet 3. And what do we have? Today we have my new canvas. So worksheet 3, this worksheet 3 deals with grammar. So what do we have in this chapter? We will learn using the various uses of grammar of the chapter verbs. Verbs written with ing are used to show progressive actions. So we are going to learn the uses of ing over here. So here what is given? Fill in the blanks with ing form of the verbs in the parenthesis. So what we will have to do, we have to see here verbs are given over here: slip, watch, hide, swim. We have to form ing verb with the following words and we have to complete this sentences. Like the first one, the ice cubes are slipping out of my hand. Next one, I am watching a musical show on TV. The kitten was hiding under the bed. So similarly, you have to complete this exercise and form words like swimming, heating, brushing, doing, sleeping, baking. Again we have doing, I am doing my homework. Then we have writing, we are writing a test now. It is raining cats and dogs, means it is raining torrentially. There is a heavy rainfall out over here. Moving to C2, here what we have to do, we have the subject and its verbs should be confirmed. A singular subject should have a singular verb. Like he is a good boy, he obeys his teachers and parents, he has good manners. So you can see singular verbs always have singular subjects have always singular verb, and plural verbs are always used when the subject is also plural. A plural should always have plural verbs, like they are good boys, they obey their teachers and parents, they have good manners. So here what we will have to do, we have to tick the verb that agrees with the subject. So here we had learned subject verb agreement. We should always remember the subject and its verb should conform. A singular subject should always have a singular verb and a plural subject should have a plural verb. So mangoes, see it's plural. So we are going to use are over here. Mangoes are fruits that I loves is wrong. It will be love because the subject is singular. Next one, similarly, we have some mango trees in our backyard. They give us sweet and juicy mangoes in summer. The tree and I share a special relationship. I was sad when what it will be? When one was struck by lightning. I didn't want to lose it, but it died. I have decided to plant another in its place. Isn't that a good idea? What do you think? Question mark. Father is going to help me. So this is your C2 children. You have to complete this exercise as your classwork. This one and last one. Moving on to the next one. In C3, what do we have? When two or more singular subjects are joined by or either, neither or nor, the verb is singular. Like neither Tom nor Harry pays attention in the class. So here is the verb. Next one, either Mary or Nadine is at fault. So when one of the subject is plural, it must be placed nearer the verb and the verb must be plural. So here when two or more singular subjects are joined by two words, the verb is singular. When the subject is plural, then the verb must be placed near it and it should be in plural. So these 2 points are to be kept in mind. So this example of this, look at the example. Either the principal or the teachers are. See, the verb is placed near the subjects. So it is in plural. Neither Danny nor his companions have arrived. Choose the correct option to fill in the blanks. The gardener or his men have cleared the weeds. Neither the father nor the son was present in the meeting. Either the prefect or the captain has made the mistake. Either the boss or the workers have done a great job. Neither Swami nor his friend cares about the matter. Is it a bird or a plane or a UFO that fly in the sky? Either George or his father is responsible for this mess. So this is your exercise C3. This much is for your classwork, and children, for your home assignment, you have to practice this C4 worksheet 3 from theme 1. Alright, this is going to be your home assignment where you have to match the columns to make meaningful sentences. Alright, this is going to be your homework. See, it is solved over here. Each of his book is being followed, so we need to match it. So each of his book has been very popular. So complete this given exercise as your homework. So children, this much for today. So you need to revise this exercise as your homework, and you need to complete the this following home assignment, and the classwork should be completed. I hope you have understood today's lesson. We will discuss more about it in details in the live class. Thank you, and all of you have a great day ahead.